Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to free up disk space for Steam games. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on Steam and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can adjust various configurations. In the settings window, look at the left panel and click on Downloads. This section contains all the options related to how Steam handles your game downloads and updates. Now scroll down through this section until you find an option called Clear Download Cache. Right beside this option, you'll see a button that says Clear Cache. Go ahead and click on it. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to clear the cache. Click Confirm to proceed. This step is helpful because clearing your download cache removes temporary files that Steam no longer needs, freeing up valuable storage space on your system. Next, in that same left panel, click on Storage. This section shows you all the drives where Steam can install games. At the top of this window, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Add Drive. Another drop-down menu will appear where you can choose an external drive or other storage options like an SSD or HDD. Make your selection and then click Add. This allows you to expand your available storage by utilizing additional drives for game installations. Alternatively, moving games to another drive can be helpful if you want to reorganize your existing library. To do this, click on Library in the top menu of Steam. In the left panel, you'll see your list of installed games. Right-click on the game you want to move, and from the context menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a new window with detailed information about that specific game. In the Properties window, look at the left panel and click on Installed Files. Here you'll find various options related to the game's installation. Click on Move Install Folder. A drop-down menu will appear where you can select the target drive where you want to move the game, choose your desired location, and then click Move. Steam will now transfer the game files to the new location, which can take a few moments depending on the size of the game. Another effective way to free up space is to uninstall games you don't play anymore. In the left panel of your library, right-click on the game you want to remove. Hover your mouse over Manage, and from the submenu that appears, select Uninstall. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure. Click Uninstall to confirm. This permanently removes the game from your system, freeing up the space it was occupying. Additionally, you can delete unnecessary files directly in File Explorer to clear out even more space. And that's it. You've now freed up disk space on your system for Steam games. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.